So now I'm going to configure Puppet Master and Puppet Slave on AWS. For that configuration, I'm going to use my GitHub resource. For using that command, I'm going to install Puppet Master and Puppet Slave. So let's start. I'm going to launch two new instance. Before launching, I would like to create a security group which will I use on that instance. Okay, so just click here, create a security group. Just give any name as for your preference. I'm going to give Puppet. Okay, so you need to add in-bounded rule, just because whenever we are going to connect with the SSH and like any communication will going to SLI, so Fire will not going to stop any IPv4, IPv6 or your personal IP address of your security group or instance. So I'm going to give all traffic IPv4, add IPv4, add IPv6, and add your personal IP address. Okay, and outbounded rule you can just leave as by default. Just create a security group. Okay, my security group created. So I'm going to launch new instance. So click here, launch new instance. Okay, so at a time I'm going to launch two instance. Configuration will same, but after launching I will change its name. First one is Puppet Master, second one is the Puppet Slave, and on their respective location I will install their Puppet Master and Puppet Slave. You can give any name as for your choice. Use Ubuntu. Use free tier T2 micro. You can create a new peer and download for connection, or if you have already downloaded any previous one, you can use that one. I'm going to use previous one. Okay, so we have already created one security group, so I'm going to use that one. I was given its name as a Puppet, so this is that one. Okay, everything's fine. So only I need to give number of instance 2 for launching two instance. Just click here, launch instance. Okay, my instance launched. Again, you can able to see I already launched two instance, but right now its name is same. So I am going to give one name as a Puppet Slave. Okay, so you can able to see this is a Puppet Master and this is Puppet Slave. You can give as for your choice. So now it's a running state, so I'm going to connect. I'm going to connect with my on my style using Git. If you want, you can connect first floor you want. In that download location my frame file is downloaded. So from here just erase all things till at the rate and copy paste public IP address of Puppet master. So Puppet master can be connect, give permission, login as a root user, okay. So my Puppet master is login, so I'm going to log in with the Puppet slave. Okay, before doing this I am going to stabilize. So after that I am not able to confuse which one is Puppet master and which one is Puppet slave. So upper one is my Puppet master and lower is my Puppet slave. Just erase all things till the rate for connecting Puppet slave. You need to give public IP address of Puppet slave, the permission, and login as a root user. So now I'm going to follow this GitHub commands. So let's copy the path. So I'm going to stabilize the IP address, private IP address of Puppet master. So go on Puppet master, and copy private IP address of Puppet master. Private, you can able to see I already added over here. And then write Puppet, just Control X, Y and enter. Okay, my IP address assigned. So I'm going to do installation process. Just follow the command step by step. It all depend on your internet speed. Okay, so by default free tier instance providing 2 GB, but we are going to use 2 GB resource, so if it's not scalable, so might be in future it will give an error. That's why we are going to change to 512 MB. So just go on that path and change it. $512 MB. Press Ctrl X for save. Yes, enter. Okay, so after that, like Puppet running on by default 8140 port, so I need to give permission for that port. Given permission, so I'm going to start the service. It will take time. After that, I will check the status of Puppet server. Okay, let's once again do this one. Okay, my Puppet server started, so I'm just copying for the status command. So you can able to see my Puppet master is running and active right now. So let's do setup on the Puppet agent. So go on Puppet agent. This is my Puppet agent, so go on that path. Okay, keep in your mind, I'm going to add the IP address of Puppet master, okay, which I have already mentioned here. So this is my Puppet master. I'm going to add the private IP address of Puppet master. And after that you can write Puppet and save it, Ctrl X. Yes, okay, so my IP address added. So let's do installation process. Just follow this step, just copy paste. Okay, I'm going to enable Puppet slave. let's check the status of puppet slave. Okay, so both puppet master and puppet slave, it's running state. So let's do certificate. Okay, now you are able to see my puppet master and my puppet slave both are in running state. So now I'm going to sign in certificate. So for that, just copy this command. For pasting over here, just press Ctrl C to come out and paste it. Okay, so I'm going to certify request. Okay, keep in your mind, here we have to add agent name. Okay, and like we have to add private IP DNS name in place of here. Let's copy paste once again. Okay, just go on the slave. Okay, you need to copy slave private IP DNS name and just paste over here. Just press enter. Okay, it successfully signed certificate request for this IP address. Okay, so let's go ahead. Okay, I'm going to add manifest on puppet master. Just press Ctrl X. Yes. So let's check that changes applied or not. So just copy this command and run on your puppet agent. Okay, before that you have to stop that one. We have to exit and just paste that command. Okay, you can able to see a certificate request already received. And finally you can able to see whatever text I was added on the puppet master, it will able to receive on puppet slave. You can see this one and this one. So that's all for now. Thank you.